ولمن خاف مقام ربه جنتان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان ذواتا أفنان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان فيهما عينان تجريان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان ولمن خاف مقام ربه جنتان فبأي
In the silence before dawn breaks, where ancient prayers still echo, I search within these hollow spaces for something I once knew. The question burns like incense rising through chambers of my heart. Who am I beneath these layers when all the masks fall apart? The drums are calling from the depths, a voice I've never heard before. Who am I when the world stops turning? Who am I in the sacred hour when the strings of heaven tremble and the fire lifts me higher? Who am I? Tell me, who am I in this moment of surrender? Who am I through the maze of